What is up, everybody? So, as you know, a whole bunch of people on YouTube and everywhere else are sponsored by NatureBox. So, I wanted to know what all the hype was about. So, I bought the sampler box of NatureBox, which is a pretty good sized box. Um, here we go with the fancy sword letter opener that I got off Amazon a while ago. Let's see what we got. So again, this is the sampler box. So we got one regular bag of the dark cocoa almonds, which cool. I was kind of wanting one of those, but it's only 4 ounces a bag with about 4 servings. So again, sampler is only $2. You just pay for the shipping. We got the rest are single serve. We got some of the sweet blueberry almonds in a little bag. Parmesan garlic pop pops, which I don't know what those are. They're supposed to be like their popular snacks. That's the one I went with. We got jalapeno cashews. Sounds good. And we got the cranberry melody single serve. So for $2, that's not terrible. But with each bag, and it's $22 per month, and I think you get 5 of these. So that makes them what? 5 times 4, or I'm terrible at math. But if you were wondering, that's what the sampler pack looks like. They send you some cardboard to hold all your snack things, a little welcome to NatureBox. Yeah, starting next month, you'll receive your first NatureBox of full-sized snacks. Your membership starts at $19.95 per month. Choose your snacks, blah 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 blah. So when you think about it, $20 plus the $2 shipping for, I think it's 5 of these size bags, and it's only net worth 4 ounces. So you can do the math. That's what the inside of the box looks like. So I'm not gonna try all these at once, because again, all these are single serve. Maybe I'll try the garlic pop pops, because they sounded kind of interesting. Yeah, let's see. They're 50 calories per serving, since they're supposed to be more towards health. So they look like that. More like half popcorn. Tastes kind of like popcorn mixed with corn nuts. So that's kind of interesting. Yeah, so basically we got nuts and fruit mixes. Which, I don't know. So yeah, that was just if you were curious what the sample box looked like, because I was. So I bought it, because $2, like, kind of why not, you know, $2. You get some snacks. And it's expensive snacks, too, because these two are almonds, and, this one is cashews, so that's more than $2 right there, but, yeah, I don't know, I don't have a code for you. I'm sure somebody else you like on YouTube does, or some podcast you listen to does. I'm sure. The ones I would go was be Lamar Wilson or Black Nerd Comedy or Tell Them Steve Dave. So go to their things and check out their codes. So yeah, thanks again. Thumbs it up, comment it up. Do you pay for Nature Box? Do you just buy your snacks from a store like Trader Joe's or wherever else you shop? And subscribe if you would like to. Peace out. Thank you.